3D PHC is proud to present one of our signature designs, the Sylvia, named in memory of a strong supporter and military veteran, Sylvia Grant. The Sylvia is a large, tiny home-style studio with all the amenities of a large house, yet absent the high cost and maintenance. This home is great as a standalone, however, it was designed to be two dwellings side by side. The floor plan aims to offer residents spacious living in less than 900 square feet, with an open design and elements that still offer privacy when needed, such as a smoothly curved privacy wall. The full bathroom will make this home feel like any big house in the suburbs with a modern, bright, positive vibe. We placed utilities and storage in the center to add both privacy and add extra storage. Large windows and a custom closet opens up the bedroom area nicely, located at the rear of the building to get away from street noise, with a quick exit to the backyard. The living room is cozy and offers enough space for a medium-sized sofa set and entertainment system, and even a full desk for working at home. The kitchen is also fully equipped with double sink, dishwasher, and room for a bigger fridge if needed. There's more than enough storage here for anyone's needs. The Sylvia will feature tankless water heaters and modern temperature controls such as in-floor heating, setting this design apart from similar builds and creating an efficient home. A deck placed in the rear of the building will complete this home both physically and aesthetically. We believe we have created a home that is not only ultra affordable and easy to maintain, but will offer comfort and peace of mind to its residents for many decades to come.